We've made it all the way to Ganja in the south of China as we continue to cycle towards Hong Kong.
Probably the best tunnel we've had all journey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're just having a bit of breakfast.
Boiled eggs.
Boily egg, good old dumplings. That's China. Good morning, world.
Good morning!
The landscape we're expecting is pretty similar to what we've had for the last few days, which is massive karst limestone rocks, which we're really enjoying. This area is famous in China for it. It's one of the big tourist attractions. People come from all over China to see these limestone rocks. It was also featured in the Star Wars Episode 3 film. Morning.
It's all foggy and cold.
It's beautiful. Look at this. That's not a bad view to wake up to in the morning, is it?
No. We're all ready and packed, and it's good to set off at 8:30, which is very good going. We've loved this camp spot, really pleasant and calm, apart from a few ladies across the river who have been very noisy this morning, chopping down some kind of crops, but apart from that it's been really serene, so ready to hit the road after a lovely peaceful campsite.
Feels good to be up and about early in the morning. This is some of the best cycling we've had in China. It's always worth fighting for these minor roads. Look at this.
Absolutely beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful. little bit industrial now. Getting to the outskirts of Lijiao, still about 20k to go. Good day?
Good day, awesome views.
You looking at the red light?
Yeah, 10. 9, 8, 7, 6,
4, 3,
2,
2, 1. Let's go! Hello.
Adam has just led us to a hotel here in Lijiao. Looks like it's a really good location. It's got a dumpling shop right next door and loads of food places nearby.
Ciao, sir. Dumpling time. Dumpling.
It's literally just been cooked.
Ah, good day.
Good day.
Woken up a little bit later than normal today. Bit of a loungy day. Sometimes it's needed though. And today we're gonna go and get some breakfast. So we're just leaving the hotel. We're gonna walk really far to here. Get some jiaozi.
Farewell, dumpling shop.
Go with it, don't you? Bye bye.
Your dumplings were delicious. Yeah. A lot more.
It's decision change. And glasses clash time.
Plot twist, as always, with us.
Should we do it quickly?
Yeah.
Right.
We're going to Vietnam.
We are. So currently the plan is to go to Hong Kong, get another visa, and then continue on our merry way and get a ferry through China, and get a boat to
Taiwan first.
Taiwan, back into China, back up to Korea, then Korea, Japan, fly from Japan,
To
go to
America.
Alaska, and then do that. We'll
Love
talk about that
it.
later. Right at this second, after having spent 40 odd days now, it's like 41, 42 days in China, my thoughts are I would rather go and explore more of Southeast Asia and then catch a flight, which is still relatively cheap, to Korea. From somewhere like Bangkok, rather than cycling through the middle of China.
Or see new places and new countries. I think it's getting our minds out of we are cycling a straight route from A to B and thinking more as ourselves as just travelling and discovering new places and being on an adventure. And it doesn't matter if it's not a straight line, it doesn't matter if it's mega wiggly. We want to go to the places that excite us.
Yeah.
And although we've really enjoyed China, and we would continue to enjoy China, I'm sure, there's just something that rings quite exciting.
We didn't go to Vietnam and we think we need to go.
We changed our mind. Sorry,
we thought it was a good idea to miss it out. Now we're like, let's go and see it.
We've just done like a little, well not a little, but like a nice loop through southern China and some really nice provinces around here. That's the beauty of travel. You can change your mind and go different ways.
It just takes a long time on a bicycle. You can't just do it like that. But no big moment that's made us think this. It's literally just through conversations like, do you fancy going to Vietnam? I think for me it was going to Hong Kong by bicycle didn't appeal to me.
It sounds like an absolute nightmare.
There's a risk we won't get a second Chinese visa.
Yeah.
Having already extended one tourist Chinese visa, there's a risk, it's not certain. And there's the prospect of it being just these new places to explore, new languages, new cultures. And so, for me, that is exciting.
Yeah,
So,
and it's slightly cheaper in these countries.
All last night, fireworks just going off. It's about 6 days till Chinese New Year. I think the celebrations are starting a little bit early. And we are in the middle of nowhere, as you can see from behind me. We've made our decision. We've properly decided that we are now going to go through Vietnam, possibly Laos, definitely through Cambodia, and back into Thailand to go to Bangkok to catch a flight to South Korea. Lucia seems happy.
Yes, I'm happy, gonna see a beach again, 7-Eleven.
It is all about just what do we think is going to offer the most value over the next few months, and will it be continuing through China or will it be exploring new countries? And for us, yeah, we've made our decision. We've enjoyed our time in China, and it's not a slight on China at all, this decision. It's purely based on just what we feel like we'd like today, and for the next 4 months.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then